Yesterday, the 1st of March 2022 marked the first anniversary of the Immigration, Border and Mobile Unit standing alone as a department, as so prescribed by the LIOL. On this date last year, as Minister of Justice, I took the decision to re-establish the Immigration Department as it was legally intended, as one unit with the Department of Admissions and Expulsion. To commemorate the 1-year anniversary, the head of mobile unit, Officer Ryan Peterson, and Immigration Officer Ms. Paula Camelli, officiated the unveiling of a Mazda BT50 that is wrapped with the new branding of Immigration and Border Protection Services, St. Martin. Present for this small yet significant ceremony was the Honorable Prime Minister, Ms. Silveria Jacobs, the Honorable Minister of Finance, Mr. Artwell Arian, the Honorable Minister of Romy, Mr. Egbert Duran, and my person as Minister of Justice. Also on March 1st, the Court of First Instance rendered a verdict regarding 3 immigrants who were detained on St. Martin due to their undocumented status. The courts found that certain procedures and guidelines regarding the administrative detention were not fully complied with by the Ministry of Justice. As a result, the court ordered the immediate release of these 3 immigrants, pending the appeal process against the detention order. After completing the required paperwork, the release was done within hours of the judgment being legally received by government to execute. Important to note that whilst the immigrants were released, the court denied the request to suspend the removal order of the immigrants. As such, although the 3 immigrants were released, they must make arrangements to leave St. Martin, as the ruling of March 1st does not change this. The Immigration and Border Protection Services sees these cases as an opportunity to strengthen and improve their operations as they continue to execute their duties. As such, steps have already commenced to adjust in accordance with pointers that have been seen or taken from the verdicts and are now being applied going forward.